Okay, it's Friday. Taking a little break from the truck. Need to prep this fender for 98 Trans Am, I think it is. Get it ready for painting this weekend for William for his Trans Am, because the one he has a hole in it, and he's unable to drive it with a hole in the fender because he doesn't look cool enough. But he got this. Asked me if we could paint it for him. I said yeah. So just need to get everything prepped. Right now it's 95 degrees in here, so it's a bit warm to be spraying anything. So we'll be over here first thing in the morning, get some primer on it and get it blocked out. Then we got to go by Jen's for Ashley's little party for having a baby, and then back over here. So we are about to get started on this. Okay, we're back at the shop. It's Tuesday evening. We got Willie's fender primed, prepped, ready to go. I'm going to spray some color and clear on it this evening. It's not super hot like it has been. It's of course black, so it's going to show exactly how bad of a painter I am. Actually, how bad of a prepper I am. I can throw the paint down pretty good. It's prepping for it, but that is what we are working on tonight. Okay, it's about 8:30. Finally got done 3 coats of color and almost 4 of clear. It's not looking too awful bad. We're getting some trash in the clear, but that's to be expected, so that'll have to get buffed out. So hopefully William is happy. If not, I suppose he can always do it himself next time, but it is not looking too bad. I know it's kind of hard to tell with the way the lighting is in here, but let this sit. It's going to be pretty warm tomorrow, so should bake it on there hopefully pretty good. And then once it's all dry and that, we'll take a look at it, see how it finished up. It's Thursday. We didn't make it over here last night because I was beat from work, so. But here's the fender. Kind of hard to tell how it's showing up on the camera, but it looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but a little cut and buff, and it should look really good then. So pretty happy with the way it turned out. Hopefully William will be. If not, oh well. So there we go. Now we go on to seeing if we can figure out what's wrong with the 120 volt welder, because we're waiting on a new gas hose for the 220 volt, so we can't use it right now. That's supposed to be here Saturday, so to occupy our time, we're going to take a look at that.